Here are all the things needed for sugar crystallization. And here are all the things needed for the crystal salt. So first step, pour the sugar into the pan. Then pour the water. Next, turn on the heat and stir the sugar until it dissolves. Then let the sugar boil until it dissolves everything. After that, quickly turn off the heat and remove the sugar from the heat. Then pour the mixture sugar into the jar container. Then let the sugar cool for 1 to 2 hours before add the nails with string into the glass container. First, prepare half glass of hot water and half glass of salt. Then, pour the hot water in the glass that contains the salt. Next, quickly stir for 1 to 2 minutes until all the solution almost dissolves. Then, add the food coloring in about 2 drops. After that, place the solution in the refrigerator for an overnight. So, this is the result that I have obtained from these 2 experiments. On my right hand, this is the sugar crystallization products. And on my left, this is the crystal salt that has formed. So, the process of growing crystal as a science experiment was a great success. After following and understanding the direction correctly, the sugar crystal formed beautifully on day 2. But for the crystal salt, as I'm using the Epsom salt, which is actually a magnesium sulfate, the crystal formed just in overnight. It is because the method that I used to form the crystal is by put the solution in the refrigerator. As the solution cools, the magnesium sulfate atoms run into each other and join together in a crystal structure. In that case, our hypothesis was correct in a sense that we needed a full 24 hours to see the formation of sugar crystallization, and for the crystal salt it only took less than 24 hours to form. In addition, the formation of the sugar crystallization was very big and it is shining brightly. Next, for the formation of crystal salt, the crystal was small, delicate and slivery. Not only that, it also gave the 100 miniature crystal with a look-like shard of glass. Not only that, there is a sound precaution step during handle these 2 experiments. The first one is we need to be careful during dealing with the hot water, and the second one is do not put too much water in a solution as the solution can be dilute. For the conclusion, based on these 2 experiments, I have learned how to make the sugar crystallization and crystal salt. I also have learned how to dissolve the salt and sugar in the hot water. Overall, these 2 experiments has met all the purpose mentioned before.